Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Spotify payment failed. If you are using any iPhone or any Android and you're trying to get Spotify Premium, but your payment has been failed, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically, there it might be a network issue, but the very first you have to check that the payment method you have entered is valid or it have enough balance to activate your premium for Spotify, and you have to also update your billing information in your Spotify app, or you can try to remove and then re-add your payment method in your Spotify. It will fix if there will be any glitch with the Spotify payment method. And after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so it might be your payment method issue, so you have to contact your bank or any support to get official help with your payment method. Or if there's nothing any issue, so it might be your network issue. Now to fix that, you have to make sure that you're connected to a strong network connection, or you have to also enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make refresh with your network settings. Then go for settings app, go for general here, and go for software updates. You have to make sure that you are up to date. Then go back and here go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation pop-up. It will reset all over your network setting, including your Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, AirDrop, and also including your hotspot. So if there will be any network issue, it will be fixed in this step, or if you are still facing the same issue, so it might be your payment method issue. So you just have to contact with your credit or debit card support center and get official help from there if your credit card has been expired or not on our balance or it isn't valid. So you'll get official help from there. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.